Hello everyone, and welcome to Flutter into Fall. I'm Marjorie and I will be your host today. I want to thank all of you for joining us and give you a quick look at our schedule for today. First, we want to give a special thank you to our sponsors, Rose Pest Solutions and the U.S. Forest Service International Division. First, you can download and print your Flutter into Fall adventure guide and follow along throughout the day. At 10:30 this morning, you can join Nicole and me for our live workshop on monarchs. Join Doug as he takes us through monarch tagging and learn about their annual migration. We have an exciting art project where we'll use the Nature Museum's collections as inspiration. You can join me for story time. I'll be reading Gotta Go, Gotta Go. Alan will take us on a walking tour of the Nature Museum grounds and share some common butterflies. And finally, join me in the Judy Istock Butterfly Haven for an extra special First Flight Butterfly release. Again, you can download your adventure guide, which has instructions and guiding questions for our activities. Links for each activity are in the email you received this morning. Thanks again for joining, and have a great time.